How to fix network cable unplugged error in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is at the bottom left corner you can find the search icon. Over there type in View Network Connections and search for it. Once app appears, just click on it. Now head towards the option of Ethernet, double click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of Properties. Now over here you will find this option of QoS Package Scheduler. Just click on it. After you select it, click on this option of Configure. Now click on the option of Yes. With that, this kind of window will pop up. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of Advanced. Under Property, you're going to find different options. Scroll down, find the option of Speed and Deluxe. Once you find it, click on it. Now for the value section, click on this drop down and set it to 100 Mbps. Click on OK. Now you can check whether your problem will be fixed or not. If you still have the issue, then you have to click on this drop down and set it to 10 Mbps full duplex. After you apply the solution, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Now go ahead and click on the search box given at the bottom left corner. Now type in command prompt. After it appears, you have to double click on it. With that, you will get different options. Click on the option of Run as Administrator. Now over here, you have to type in the command prompt ipconfig //flushdns and press enter. Now type in another command prompt netis winsock reset and press enter. And with that, your problem will be fixed. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix network cable unplugged error in Windows 10 or 11. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.